This young man is a symbol of perseverance, talent, and academic excellence. He is a proud graduate of Pampanga State University, formerly Don Honorio Ventura State University, where he completed his Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, graduating cum laude. In the world of pageantry, he has no stranger in the spotlight. He has carried numerous titles and recognition throughout the years. First runner-up, Lacan San Pablo 2nd, 2019. Lacan ng Wika 2019, Merida Queen College of Pampanga Incorporated in 2020. Lacan ng Parokya 2023, Conversion of St. Peter and Paul Paris. Candidate Lacan ng Lubao 2023. Mr. College of Hospitality and Tourism Management 2025 at Don Honorio Ventura State University. Candidate Ms. Dabsu 2025. Representative of the Municipality of Lubao in Lacaning Sinupuan 2025, where he proudly earned the title Lacaning Sinupuan Matapang 2025. A man of character, charm, and dedication. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce to you Mr. John Paul B. Garcia.